Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get insurance and install tracker in your car in GTA 5 Online. So when you get the new car, what you need to do here first, you need to just drive it and then open up interaction menu. On PS4 and PS5 controller, I believe it's the trackpad that is in the middle. On Xbox is the view button, and on a PC it's letter M. And then you need to enable passive mode, so nobody can blow your car. And then open up menu, go to map, and then look for Los Santos sprays or Los Santos customs, or basically any other icon here with a spray. And then you need to select waypoint, and then you need to look to go to the garage here. And once you are in the garage, you need to wait until you will see this categories bar here, categories list, and then you need to go to loss and theft prevention, and then here it will be tracker that you can install, and as you can see here, to your vehicle, and you will always be able to locate it. A car blip will be added to the radar when you are not in your car, so basically on the minimap you will see where your car is, and the full coverage. This is a insurance. So basically purchasing insurance will entitle you to a replacement vehicle if your vehicle gets destroyed. So basically, if your vehicle gets destroyed, you will get an insurance. So install tracker and insurance, and yeah, that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.